Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be opening some Happy Mail. I got this super cute package from Michelle. I'll have her Instagram link down below. You guys, we did a memory deck swap and she sent me the cutest stuff. Yes, I peeked. Yes, I looked. But I haven't really opened up the little plastics. I looked at everything through the packaging and I wanted to film a video on it, so here we go. She sent me this super cute card. It says, be the best version of yourself. And then the note is from me. And you guys, if you saw my Instagram, you saw I posted a picture of this shaker that she made for me. How beautiful is this? She used acetate and vellum, and that is so cool. I love the sound that it makes. This little girl is adorable. The butterflies, the puffy heart, it's just perfect. I love the way Michelle layers. Her work is always so beautiful. She used a super cute tassel and the doily. It's just so cute. I love it so much. I'm gonna definitely have this on my desk because she must be looked at on a daily basis. Look at that mix, I was gonna say beautiful and pretty at the same time. How beautiful it is. Look at that, so pretty. So she sent me that shaker. And then there's 2 memory decks cards here. We were supposed to do 3, but she sent me way more. Let me show you. There's tons of confetti in the back of the box, on the bottom of the box as well. So here's the first one. And she used, oh my God, look, it's a shaker. How cute. She used the Maggie Holmes Carousel collection. I love the bow. Look at the little enamel dot in the back. Like the little acrylic horse. So cute. I cannot wait to put these on my little holder for my memory decks cards, which is almost full. And then she made me one of these, which is from the Flourish collection, also Maggie Holmes. So pretty. I love it. Look how detailed that is, you guys. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I'm so excited to put those on my holder. And there's another one here. And there's a bunch of confetti in here. And crinkle paper. Let me just take the little card out. You guys, look how pretty. Look at all the flowers. I'm telling you, I love her detail. This is gorgeous. Look at this. So beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you so much, girlie, if you're watching. And there's still 2 more that she sent me. I don't know. Did we do 5 or 3? I'm not sure because I did 2 swaps with memory decks. I think we did 5. Yeah, I think we did 5. This one is a Chasing Dream one. Look at this. How cute. I love this one. Look at the little books on the top. Those butterflies are my favorite. There's a little floral piece in the back. Oh, these cards are gorgeous. And then there's this one. Oh my, I don't even know which one is my favorite because I love them all so much. Look at the little swan. I saw her do a sneak peek on this one. The little banner. This one is so cute. Oh my God, you did such a good job on these cards. They're so beautiful and I cannot wait to put them on my holder. They're gonna look beautiful. And then you guys, she made me some little medallions. I think this is from the Chasing, yeah, from a little bit from all of them. From Carousel, this is Carousel 2, and I think this is Chasing Dreams. And look how she packaged them. And it's so funny because I saw a picture on Instagram, I'm not sure from who, posted a bunch of embellishments, and I got so inspired to make a few, and this was some of them. And I actually made some of these for the Fairy Tale Club. Let me see, I think I have one right here. Now you guys know that I'm part of the design team. I made some of these as one of my projects for them. But these are super cute. I love them. And then there's a whole bunch of like sequence mix, and she sent me a bunch of these little circle tags. I have a bunch of these in like gold, and I don't have them in silver. And there's like squares. These are so fun to add to projects, and you can do so much with them. I love these. Thank you so much for that, girly. And then you guys, she sent me trim. You guys know I love me some trim. Look at this. I have never seen this before. This is gorgeous. This I just might have to hoard. I don't think that I might be able to part with this. And I think she did this herself. I think she sewed this. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Thank you so much, Michelle. This is beautiful and so fun. And you guys, look at the little mix that she has here. I'm definitely saving this. I love it. Look at that. Look at all that fun confetti. I love it so much. This was such a beautiful package. I love it. Thank you so much, Michelle, if you're watching. And yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.